Hi, I'm Walker from Make Noise here at Superbooth with Future Music. Thanks for stopping by the booth. I'm showing off the Soundhack Spectraphon today. It's our new 34 HP dual digital spectral oscillator that's a collaboration with Erbe from Soundhack. We worked with him on the Mimeophone and the Morphagene, among others, over the years. Well, I've been asked to show a few kind of my favorite features or patch ideas with it. One thing I really like is just actually starting to sequence one side of it in the SAO mode. I like to take my my B and A oscillators and tune them to a harmonic ratio, and I can get that exactly in line if I want by fine adjusting the fine-tune pot till I get a green light there. I'll go ahead and reconnect it. The reason I would do that is so that I can get some really clean FM going on. In fact, if I even want to say sequence the FM index, another thing I really like to do in this mode is detune the two oscillators. Not even the two oscillators, but just the even and odd harmonics of the same oscillator. Let's change up this gate pattern a little bit. And I also really love to bring in the sub oscillator here, so that even when I go kind of wild with the FM, I can remember what note I'm hearing. Now I'm also running the B oscillator in follow mode, which means if I sequence the A oscillator, that'll also sequence the B. So let's add another sequencer. That's a few things I like to do just in SAO mode specifically, of course, and that's just with one oscillator, but there are two modes and two oscillators, so that's just kind of scratching the surface of it, but hope y'all enjoyed that. Thanks for joining.